Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review TypeDesk. TypeDesk is one of the most well-known canned response solution, and if you don't know what canned response is, you will get idea. Let's say if I open any txt file, any file you can open or any place you can open, and now here let's say if I just give here lorem, then see automatically this text will be written. So the concept behind this is you can predefine some text and you can predefine the shortcut for this text, and then if you just write this shortcut on your computer, on your browser, on your desktop, then your full text will be appear here. And by using this solution, a lot of time will be saved from your life to type this text. I hope you get the basic idea guys behind this TypeDesk tool, and this is the idea behind this canned response solution. And see, they are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. This is maybe their second launch, and previously they are on AppSumo. They have total 128 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 5 star. Everyone is giving here 5 star review, so I think the tool is really good guys. Now, if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of this tool, see here they are offering single code and double code. For single code, you have to pay only 69 USD, and for double code, here 138 USD. And here the difference is between this seat basically. On single code, you will get one seat. On double code, you will get 50 seats. So if you want to use it for your personal use, then single code is enough. But if you want to use it for your team, then this double code is ideal for you. So depending on your need, you can use or you can get any code that you want, and you can get at least 10% discount guys on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on TypeDesk lifetime deal. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of TypeDesk and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for you. See, they have Chrome extension and they have the desktop app. If you use their desktop app, then it will work inside or outside of the browser. But if you use their Chrome extension, then it will work only on the browser basically. That's why I have already installed their desktop application. See, this is their desktop application. I hope you can see guys, and in your case you have to use this desktop software if you want to get the full potentiality of their tool. And see, this is the dashboard of the TypeDesk. Basically you can do all the things from their application also. This is the software. So if I open it now, see here have the responses. See here, try me, this is the shortcut. And if I use this try me shortcut, then what will happen? See here these things will happen, and you can here predefine some variable. See congress, then your full name will be added here and it will ask you what name to input. Let me here show you. Let me show you guys. Just let me open it, and then now let me go here, and then if I just use this shortcut try me, to use shortcut you have to at first give here one slash and then try me. And then now if I input, then see here is my first name. Now how they have gotten my first name? My first name is here MD Imdadul. That's why they have gotten this first name from here basically. I hope you get idea. Now let me add one another one. Let's say you want to thank someone. See thank you very much. So and, every time you do not have to write this line. If you just here write tyvm, then there will be automatically written thank you very much. Now I will show you how you can create your own canned response guys. To create, you have to click here create response, and if you click here create response, then here you have to give the canned response name. Let's say the name is video video purpose. This is the name. This name you will be shown by yourself only, and here you have to give the canned response. Here let's say the canned response will be good. At first good, and then here can be morning or afternoon depending on the time. So see there have variable. if I use this thing, see, good morning or good afternoon. So what I have to do? Let's say in morning I will use good morning, and in afternoon I will use good afternoon. And then if I insert the variable, then the variable will be inserted. Now if I give one comma, and then let's say I will use um, myself and then my full name. Let's say here I will use my full name, and see, here I have the variable your full name, and I am creating one project for the upcoming. And then let's say you want to add here one date. So if I give here date, and here you have to select the format. Let's say the format will be maybe this full date, and then add or remove the days. Let's say I want to create one project in upcoming third days. So if I add here 3, then 3 days will be added in this date. So if I insert the variable, then let's say today is 17 November. As you can see, let's say if I write it today, then 20th November I want to create one project. And then let's say I want to write you are invited, you are cordially invited to join, let's say, the project, the project conference named. And then here I will add, let's say, my business name. So your business name. So these are the things. And then let's say I will give him or her one unique ID. So let's say your invitation ID is, see, they have enter key. So here maybe they will give one key, not this one. I'm sorry guys. So let me delete it. So here random value. So if I use here random value, then see the value will be, let's say, ID 101. Here I have add option. So value 2 will be ID 102, and value 3 will be ID 103. And then here I have the option allow multiple options to select. If you want, then you can here assign multiple ID basically. But let's say I do not want it. And then if I insert the variable, then this random value will be inserted. I'll show you how these things works guys after some time. And then let's say I want to write something gender specific. Let's say if the person is male, then let's say your entering venue is venue is, see, gender conditional here available. So gender conditional, if she is female, then the venue will be venue, let's say, get 2. And if the person is male, then the enter get will be get 1, and neutral will be get 1. And then if I insert the value, then your entering venue is this gender conditional get. I hope you get idea guys. And then in this way you have to use the variable. I hope you get idea guys how you can use the variable, and there have a lot of potentiality guys. You can use this variable. And then let's say I will write hope you will enjoy it, then regards, then my first name, and then let's say, then here will be business name, and then here will be the role. So these are the things. Now here if you want, you can add any images. Let's say I will add here one image just to show you guys. But adding image here is not so professional, but still I'm going to use one image. See, there have some stickers, there have some gifs, there have import from URL and upload. You can upload it by your own. So let's say I'll search as something invitation. invitation. Let's say I'll use this one. You are invited, and here insert image. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And then see, they have variants. You can use different variant of this text if you want. See, this is one variant. If you want, you can add another variant here, but I'm not adding another variant. But if you want, you can add another variant. I hope you get idea. Then you have to go to the setting, and here you have to give the quick response, guys. See, here is the default text. Now if I go to here, see, here you have to give the quick response. Now what this quick response is, I hope you can remember. Here, if we have written just slash lorem, then we have gotten a huge amount of text. So here you have to insert this a small code that you can remember. Let's say the code will be invitation. So only inv will be the code. Here you can add some private note. It will be visible only for you, only visible for you. And then here, copy as plain text. You can copy it as plain text. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. And then you can add it in different folder. Select folder. See, there have useful sentence, get started, my team folder. You can create new folder also. Let's say test folder, and then enter. It will be saved. I hope you get idea. Now if I just save the response, then the response will be saved. Now I will use this response on one place. Let's say I will use this canned response on my Facebook group. You can use anywhere, guys. Anywhere it will work. So previously I have shown you in txt file, and now I will show you in Facebook. Let's say this is the Facebook group, and then if I just insert my short code here, inv, then see, it will ask you to select the gender. Let's say the gender is male, and then here they will write everything. See, good morning, myself MD Imdadul. I'm creating one project for the upcoming. See, 3 days later from now, and you are cordially invited to join the project conference named Passivern. This is the business name, and your invitation ID is this ID, and your entering venue is get one, as he is a male. And hope you will enjoy it. Then here is my first name, here is business name, position, and image is here. Image will not be added everywhere, guys, if the platform do not support the image basically. And then now you can post. So you do not have to write this everything, guys. You can just use the shortcode and everything will be written here. I hope you get idea. Now I will try it in another platform. Let's say I will use one Google Doc. This is on Google Doc. Now if I just insert the shortcode here, then see, let's say in this case she is female, and then see, all things will be written here, and the media has not been added here in this case also. So this is on downside, I think. So I have added some media, but they cannot add the media in everywhere. So these are the things. And the last thing I want to show you in email. Let's say you want to send it via email. So if I go to email, and if I here inside the short code, then see, let's say she is female, and then all things will be written here. I hope you get idea. See, here the image has been added, so it's looking so good. I hope you get idea, guys. Now you can send the message to anyone. I hope you get idea, guys, how this TypeDesk tool will work. And these are the whole idea behind this tool, and it will help you in case of your productivity, in case of your time saving, guys. I hope you get the basic idea about this tool. If you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this TypeDesk lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this TypeDesk lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on TypeDesk lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate linkage. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.